My name's Colin Lynch and I'm Sustainability Coordinator at Concrete Repairs Limited. CRL are a specialist structural engineering company. We provide services from surveying, repair, replacement and refurbishing of concrete structures to long-term asset management. So key challenge that we had was that we weren't measuring our reporting on our Scope 3 emissions. So we were hoping to get a better understanding of all of our emissions, specifically Scope 3 emissions, but we also wanted to understand how recent business decisions such as the use of HVO fuel along sites and the use of solar-powered welfare units have impacted specifically our Scope 1 emissions.
So for CRL, we completed a comprehensive carbon assessment for the baseline year, as well as the re-audit year concurrently. So this assessment covered all the material sources of emissions across all the scopes, adhering to ISO 14064-1 as well as the Greenhouse Gas Protocol. Really critically, we found that between the baseline year and the re-audit year, CRL were able to reduce their Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 19%. Now this was primarily due to the use of diesel HVO. 19% reduction in Scope 1 and Scope 2 is actually despite an overall 100% increase in site fuels. So as you can see, the huge decrease in Scope 1 emissions through the use of this diesel HVO. CRL are currently emitting 7,732 tons of carbon dioxide equivalents annually across all scopes. And working together, we're able to develop a roadmap to net zero, which is aligned with Science Based Targets Initiative. And with this, CRL are aiming to reduce their company-wide emissions by 49% and become net zero by 2045.
The BCA has allowed us to develop a net zero roadmap with carbon reduction initiatives that will help us align more closely with government and also clients' needs. Tunley have been brilliant partners throughout this whole process. They've been really knowledgeable, really easy to work with. It's been a great process, and the measurement of your carbon footprint is the first step in really operating more sustainably. So I'd definitely recommend any business to choose Tunley to do that.